Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the EGO SNT2405 24-inch Cordless Snow Blower Kit. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the EGO SNT2405? This is a cordless snow blower designed to take the hassle out of winter snow removal. Unlike traditional gas-powered snow blowers, the EGO SNT2405 offers a cleaner, quieter, and more efficient way to clear your driveways and walkways. Equipped with two 7.5Ah arc lithium batteries, this snowblower provides impressive performance without the noise and fumes that often accompany gas models. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. First up, the EGO SNT2405 boasts peak power technology, which combines the power of any two EGO batteries to effectively tackle heavy, wet snow. It can throw snow up to an astonishing 50 feet away. So, if you have a large area to clear, you won't have to worry about snow piling up in unwanted places. The snowblower features a 24-inch clearing width and a 20-inch intake height. This means it can handle deep snow with ease, and the variable speed steel auger breaks up even the heaviest ice and snow. The directional chute control allows you to direct the snow where you want it, which is especially useful for keeping your pathways clear. One of the standout features of the EGO SNT2405 is its ability to clear up to an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge. Thanks to the two included 7.5Ah batteries, you can power through your snow removal tasks without constantly needing to recharge. Plus, it's compatible with all EGO 56V arc lithium batteries, so if you already own EGO tools, you can easily interchange batteries. Now, let's talk about convenience. The variable speed self-propel feature allows you to navigate through snow without straining yourself. You can easily switch between forward and reverse using the handle-mounted control dashboard. This is particularly helpful if you need to maneuver around obstacles or if you're clearing tight spaces. Another great aspect of the EGO SNT2405 is the push-button start. No more dealing with pull cords or priming the engine, just press a button and you're ready to go. This feature makes snow removal much more accessible, especially for those who may find traditional snow blowers challenging to operate. Plus, it comes equipped with 4 bright LEDs that enhance visibility during nighttime snow removal, ensuring you can work safely even in low-light conditions. So, who is the EGO SNT2405 suitable for? If you live in an area that experiences heavy snowfall, this snowblower is an excellent choice. It's perfect for homeowners with larger driveways or those who frequently need to clear walkways and patios. Additionally, if you're environmentally conscious and looking to reduce your carbon footprint, the EGO SNT2405's electric design is a great alternative to gas-powered machines. In practical use cases, you'll find that the EGO SNT2405 is versatile enough for various scenarios. Whether it's clearing your driveway after a big snowstorm, keeping your paths clear for guests, or preparing your property for winter, this snowblower can handle it all. With its powerful performance and user-friendly design, it makes the daunting task of snow removal much more manageable. In summary, the EGO SNT2405 24-inch Cordless Snow Blower Kit is a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use tool that can make your winter snow removal tasks a breeze. With its advanced technology and thoughtful features, it stands out as a reliable choice for homeowners facing snowy conditions. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.